Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine, and today's video I'm going to show how to make a perfect carrot cake. It's a delicious delight during tea time. Check the ingredients and you can make this better at home. So let's start quickly with the ingredients of what I'm going to use for in order to make a perfect carrot cake. Flour, HNR, all purpose flour, which is 300 grams. Sugar, I have powdered it and kept 250 grams. 300 grams of grated carrot, 5 whole eggs. Oil, I have 1 cup. To give a better flavor, I have nutmeg powder, which is 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon. If you This gives you a better flavor actually. If you want to omit it, you don't want to use it, or you don't find the ingredients, you can just skip it. Then I have baking soda, which is 1 teaspoon. Then baking powder 2 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Orange zest 1 tablespoon, and orange juice is 1 tablespoon. So let's start with the process now. So this orange zest is basically an orange peel where you can remove it with a zester, or you can just use a grater to remove the skin in order to make it fine. So let's start with the cooking process now. We start preparing the cake mix. We need to grease the mold first, either with a ghee or butter. I have applied butter, and once you grease the mold every side, I've already greased and kept. Then you have to dust it with flour. And throw the excess flour out. Our mold is ready. We'll keep this aside. Now we'll start with the mixing the batter. We'll start with the dry ingredients first. We'll mix it and keep. I will add little bit of salt, a pinch of salt, cinnamon powder, baking powder, baking soda, and nutmeg powder. I've already sieved this flour and kept. Mix this properly. And we'll keep this aside. So let's start making batter now. 5 eggs, sugar, first we have to beat sugar. Guys, check this out. This batter is still not ready. We still want more fluffy but better. So at this point, I forgot to mention that you need to keep your oven on. Preheat the oven and keep for 180 degree centigrade, that is 360 degree Fahrenheit. And we'll start with this. Guys, check this out. This is ready now. Now I will add oil to this. Now we'll mix all the other ingredients. Juice, vanilla essence, and orange zest. Together I will add carrot. Add flour. Add the remaining flour. Now I will add the remaining carrot. Let's mix this properly. Check this out, this batter is mixed now. Now we'll transfer this to the mold. Like this I have already transferred to a mold. Now I will put this in the oven. Oven is already, as I mentioned, to keep oven on preheat at 180 degrees centigrade. I will put this in the oven for 40 minutes. 35 to 40 minutes is good enough. Guys, check this out. This carrot cake is ready now. I've just turned off the oven. Let it rest for 5 minutes. And now I've opened the oven. Check out delicious carrot cake. You can try this recipe at home. Guys, check this out. This is the final product of the cake. This cake is ready to be served now. Guys, check this out. This is how it should be. Check this texture, how soft it is.
Thank you so much for staying till the end. Please like, share and subscribe.